session, the investiture ceremony of Rosian School, where we are privileged to witness the formula election of leadership of the academic year 2024-2025.
To commence this auspicious event, let's extend a warm welcome to our Chief Director, Mr. Syed Mansoor Ali sir, whose guidance and vision lead us towards excellence. Please join me in welcoming him with a round of applause.
Mr. Sultan, whose commitment to education and nurturing young minds is truly commendable. Please welcome her with a round of applause.
Next, we have the privilege of hearing from our principal, Mrs. Atia Sultana ma'am, who will enlighten us with her wisdom and perspective on leadership and the journey ahead.
Respect director sir, dear teachers, and my dear students, elected captains and vice captains of our school. I welcome you all on the first school journey of investiture ceremony, which is going on in the year 2024 and 25. It's a great moment for the school because with the investiture ceremony only, all the other programs will start. And not only it's a great moment for the school, but it's also a great moment for the teachers, mentors, and the students, and the captains and vice captains. And today is the day to feel the responsibility of our duty. And as we all know, the entire school is divided into 4 houses: samurais, soldiers, survivors, and knights. Every house will be giving tough competition to others. And all this is for betterment of the students, because we know that today's students are tomorrow's citizens. So on 1st July, we had an election wherein the students have elected the leaders, captains and vice captains through voting system, and that made you aware of how to what is the right of as a citizen of India. So what is that? What is your responsibility as a giving an oath? And all of you have enjoyed well on that day. And yesterday, really it was excitement. Every candidate was giving tough competition, neck-to-neck competition to others. And anyhow, we have come out with the elected captains and vice captains yesterday. And today is a very important day for the school journey as a investiture ceremony. We are excited to announce the leaders, captains and vice captains, and also we are excited how we are going to carry on the coming year assembly concepts. So as a leader, I expect this year will be more and more colorful like previous years, and I want the leaders to set an example for the coming students that they have to be humble.
We are now honored to invite the mentors to announce our newly elected leaders, chosen by their peers as a captain and vice captain respectively. For this, I call Fatima teacher as a mentor from Ninth House.
Good morning, sir, teachers, and my dear students. Today we are here gather and celebrate our investiture ceremony, and we are very happy to know the result today. Okay, I am the mentor of night group, and I am going to announce the captains and vice captains. Okay, so every time we used to select, we teachers used to select the captains and vice captains, but this time we have given a chance to you. Okay, you are eager to know the result, I think. Yes, you have done a good job. Okay, today I am going to announce the captains and vice captains of our night group. So, for captain we have elected Akash from Punjab, and Vinay Rajan as vice captain. Thank you, ma'am. Okay. A responsibility to Vinay and Akash to prove themselves. I hope everyone once again to congratulate them. congratulate all the other group captains and vice captains also. And children, this time also we are going to give a tough competition, okay, to all the groups, okay. And everyone will come forward, children, and don't get stage fear, okay. This time everyone should participate, understood? You have to come with your great ideas, great creative, okay. And don't be fear. We all will be with you, okay. You have to come with your ideas, okay. So this time first which group will we come forward, we don't know. After some time madam will announce the first group, okay. We are going to we are going to elect the slips, okay. So we will know who will come first and second, third, fourth, okay. And after the first group which perform, after that we are going to get time no children. So we have
Honored administrator from Samurai House.
Good morning, respected principal and ma'am, my dear colleagues and teachers. Today we are here on the occasion of investiture ceremony for our new school leaders. I am honored to be here as part of this. From our Samurai, you have voted and we have got Captain and Sri Children and Vice Captain. The Captain and Vice Captain Sri Children. As ma'am said, leadership is not just a name, it's all about the responsibility. So I hope you will be doing your responsibilities and duties more effectively at this time. And also for the students who haven't got selected, I hope your towards the team always matters. So I hope you will be continuing the same this year also. And once again, congratulations to all the captains and vice captains who got selected. Thank you.
My teacher as a mentor from Survivor's House.
And this is Rishma, survivor of mental house. Now, first of all, I am very grateful to our ma'am. I request you all to give a huge round of applause for our ma'am for giving you the opportunity of electing your capital and vice capital from class 4 to 7. As we all experience that from the age of 18 we have experienced our voting right, but you all now at the age of maybe 11, 12, you are in 10, 11, you are enjoyed the right of voting. So, Madam Ko very much gracefully trying for your improvement, and she is giving you ideas to improve your vision, to improve your knowledge, to improve your everything, abilities to come forward. So now it's your time to prove yourself that how much ma'am is giving for you, doing for you, struggling for you, for your betterment. So you also have to give 100% to ma'am by coming forward, not only in your studies, in your capabilities, abilities and everything. Show your vision. You see children, fun is everywhere, but in studies you don't need fun much. Somewhat is matter, but you need seriousness in your studies. You have to come forward in any way. You give brilliant ideas, new creativities. We should not force you to do anything. You, by yourself, you have to come forward. Why? Because man is working hard, struggling, everything is giving for you. Every choice is providing for you in this school. In other institutions, they will not give that, they will not think that much. But this Jyoti institution has given freedom to students in all the ways, not in studies, in your abilities, capabilities, sports, in whatever you want to do. Ma'am is helpfully coming up with new ideas to create what? Well awareness among you and to create a good thing, a better thing. Why? Because when you go out from this institution, what is matters? What you did know, what you gained, what you achieved from your institution. Why? Because see children, everyone will say study, 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 but they will not concentrate in what way you are going. So, ma'am is taking out you by organizing this investiture ceremony. This is a very great opportunity for you. Not only for 3rd to 10th class, from nursery we are using our talents. Here, we are showing everything. We as the members of all groups are working hard and we are trying to improve your abilities to come forward. But nobody is responding. Every time, whenever we say something for you, we give some work for you, you will delay in your work. You will neglect and you will come late to school. And at the time of we say to do something, you always just say, sorry teacher, we came late. So, see what will happen, you know, you are lacking your talent, you are lacking your time, you are wasting everything. Coming late to school, so much of brilliant ideas and so much of brilliant concepts are going here. You all are missing. So children, one thing, studies will not improve you. You have to improve yourself. Bookish knowledge is nothing matters for you. Along with your studies, you have to create your own abilities. You have to come forward. You have to you have to clear your stage fear. Whatever the thing is given for you, you have to do. We should not force as a mentor or as a teacher to come forward and do something or do something. So it is your wishfully thought that you have to come forward and you have to give strength for us so that we can move forward. So only my one thing is to say you that children, never waste your time. Come, be punctual, come regular to school on time. Whenever something is given for you, please try to do the thing timely and without any delay. Be responsible. So, as a mentor from Survivors, we have this year selected we have not selected. Sorry, our ma'am has given opportunity for you to select captain and vice captain. So you all, by your wish, you have selected. So, and one more thing I'd like to say, we have got the most vote from other groups. Survivor is the leading one. Means you all have given much respect for you. So definitely we are going to do ourselves this year also. Among all these cultural competition, we definitely survive. So now I'd like to call captain and vice captain from our house. Yashmali as a captain, you all have elected. And Tasmia as a vice captain. Now I request our ma'am to honor them. One thing I would like to remind, taking as a captain in house captainship is not a just for name or something. You have to prove yourself. You have to show your abilities. You have to be punctual so that others will follow you. You have to maintain discipline. You have to improve your knowledge and improve your communication skills with them. If you talk in other languages or something, that they will follow you. So you are what? You are the role model for them. Why? Because they will get chance of next year. So be punctual, be regular, take your responsibilities properly, and all the best for you all. Anything? Definitely I will do. Thank you, ma'am, for giving me. I'm very grateful to share my views among you all. Thank you.
Now I call Salata teacher and mentor of Trojan's house.
Good morning everyone. I would like to begin by extending my warm wishes to our respected director sir and our esteemed principal ma'am for the guidance and support. Today we gather here to celebrate a significant milestone in our school's journey. The investiture ceremony is a time-honored tradition that marks the beginning of a new chapter in our school's leadership. After a rigorous and democratic process of elections, I am thrilled to announce the newly elected school leaders. The exit polls and counting of ballot papers have been conducted and the results are testament to the school's voices. To the management, I express my gratitude for entrusting me with the responsibility of mentoring for Trojan's House. It is my great pleasure to declare that Bhumika has been selected as the captain and Bhuvana as the vice captain of Trojan's House. These outstanding students have demonstrated exceptional leadership qualities, dedication and passion towards the election process. As your mentor, I urge you to lead with integrity, wisdom and kindness. Embrace challenges from your difficulties and always support each other. You are not just representatives of Trojan's House but also role models for our peace. Congratulations. Dear students, I say that leadership is not limited to the batches, those who are having batches. Each of you has the potential to make a positive impact regardless of your positions. So embrace your strengths, work on your weaknesses and always strive to be the better versions of yourselves. Thank you all and congratulations to all the elected captains and vice captains for all the
Thank you to our mentors for your insightful reflections. We need to fulfill our responsibility with sincerity and integrity.
Now let's play a game where we will know that which house will start the assembly first. For this, I request ma'am to come forward.
Not ours.
Which house
Nice job.
Trojan. Samurai. Survivor. Knights, get ready. Knights first, Trojan second, Samurai third, Survivors fourth. The first week is taken by Knights. Are you ready? Yes. Are you ready? Yes. Very good. You might have great plans with you. Come forward. Come forward with the teamwork. Okay. Very nice. Good.
Before we conclude, let's reflect on a thought that encapsulates the essence of leadership and responsibility. Leadership is not about being in charge, it's about taking care of those in your charge.
Be bold when you lose. Be calm when you win. Indeed, leadership is a responsibility bestowed upon those who have shown dedication and promise.
With that, we come to the conclusion of our investiture segment. We extend our heartfelt congratulations to all the captains and vice captains and wish them success in their roles. Thank you to all the dignitaries, teachers and students for gracing this occasion with your presence.